Today is a very fun video, fun yet unhealthy. I'm nervous about it. Today we're gonna be exploring the vending machines in Tokyo, Japan. This is a big thing in Japan. You can walk anywhere and you will find some sort of vending machine. I have some coins. I have $15 worth of coins that I found. I'm not going to that vending machine. I'm gonna keep walking to find some morning coffee. It's the first thing we're gonna do. But today I'm just gonna eat from vending machines in Tokyo. This is gonna be very unhealthy and actually pretty hard because I don't know a lot of food vending machines, but we're just gonna explore the vending machines around here. First to area of business is get hot coffee. I don't want cold coffee. Let's go find a hot coffee machine. So there's about one vending machine per every 23 people here. And there's like 5 million, and that's the most vending machines, I think, in any country. These are all cold. This blue means cold. Okay, so I found the vending machine and it's only 100 yen, which is like $1. So it's a little cheaper than most of them. So most of the coffees here are Boss brand, and it's warm and hot, and I'm gonna drink it now and get started with the day. We're actually really hungry, so I'm going to find some food in one of these. I know they have soup, but that might be difficult to find too. I'm gonna head back real quick, grab. Oh, nice. that was actually really, really cool. That guy had tattoos, and I don't see like hardly any Japanese people have tattoos. He just showed me his back. He's probably bothering you. But anyways, I'm gonna drink this now. Okay, so I'm back. That wasn't too far away with the laundry right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and drink this. I like to get black coffee because it has a lot less sugar, and I don't like to drink milk, which is gonna be a huge issue in today's endeavor of eating only from vending machines. So we have $14 left for our meals for today. So I'm hoping not to spend that much on vending machine food, but I don't know what's gonna happen. A lot of their coffees have milk and sugar. Hopefully we don't just live on coffee today. Just on the walk from here to the station, there's 4 or 5 vending machines. And then I know that there's one in the station as well. 2, probably more than 2 in the station. They also have vending machines that sell cigarettes. So right now, I need to get some food. I read online that internet cafes have vending machines that sell food. It's kind of harder to find straight up food in vending machines just around. So now we're gonna go try to find an internet cafe. And I think I have to pay to get in, so it's gonna be a little more expensive in that way. Let's go. So an internet cafe is open 24/7, and that's where you go on the internet to read manga and just to hang out, I guess.
How long is this?
200.
Right. And this is 10 minutes after.
To here 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You have to pay.
Yeah, just duck it. It's up to you. You can go somewhere that's going to be like bigger and more things to choose from.
Maybe we should do that then.
Okay.
Okay, so it was like $2.60 to go in there. You pay by half hour, but I didn't want to pay that.
Pay by. It gets cheaper the longer you stay.
Oh, okay. But I'm just trying to get into the vending machines. Also, I forgot to mention that I don't like to eat dairy or sugar or anything like that. But that's kind of having to go out the window. This is still going to be all vegetarian though. I forgot to mention that because I'm a vegetarian. So I'm a vegetarian who doesn't eat dairy, or I don't like to eat too much processed sugar. But for entertainment purposes, I'm going to abandon all that and get a massive stomachache for you guys. We're in Ikebukuro now, and we're going to find a different internet cafe here that's cooler, maybe. I hope they have some healthy food.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe this for my effort. Okay, second one, they just had soup and it was also more expensive, so we didn't want to go. But if you guys do come to Tokyo, make sure you go to Dice. It's actually really cool and techno-y on the inside. But that's not what we're going for right now. We're trying to find some nice vending. People are like, we have really good internet, but why are you asking about vending machine food? It's like... Outfit of the day? Okay, so we're gonna be very quiet because we're now in the internet cafe booth thing. So we didn't need this because we just wanted vending machines. But if you guys wanted to see what an internet cafe booth looks like, I'll show you. So. Are you reading that? You're reading that very close. This cost for half an hour $2. I'm gonna go and find the vending machines and get some food. They even have showers in here. What did you get? Got the vending machines are free here, so.
Yeah.
I'm getting corn soup. I feel like there's dairy in it, but like I said, we're just gonna ignore that. Just pull it out.
Yeah. Just
corn soup. I'm going to enjoy my corn soup from the vending machine. There's no actual food in these ones.
ASMR now.
I feel like I'm
rent CDs and DVDs and stuff too. Or buy them.
What's that?
Exactly. No iPod.
I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna go get some yogurt. But no solid food yet. This is brunch. I don't really eat in the first part of the day anyways, so I'm cool, but 2 soups and some yogurt is gonna be my meal. This dairy's gonna fuck me up. I haven't had dairy yogurt like this, with like sugar and dairy in it, for years. I don't think I'm gonna finish the yogurt just because like I'm just trying to be careful. Okay, so we just got out, did it for half an hour. That felt like a really, really cheap like Zen spa experience, except really bad for you. But that satisfied me for the time, but I'm still gonna be really hungry. Let's be honest, I just drank like 2 tiny portions of soup and half a yogurt, so.
Video thumb. Oh yeah, she's bloated and eating off vending machines.
So I'm on a mission to find a vending machine that has like some sort of apples or something in it. But until then, we're going to the temple. We're gonna do some sort of dance choreography for a 360 video. If you want to see how that turns out, then you can go ahead and follow his Instagram account. I'll link it below. But that's gonna be our fitness for the day, so let's go do that. I really want one of these, but my budget does not allow it.
The lion and a whale with the fat chin.
Milk tea. It's a little yogurt smoothie, latte, what's up here? Apple juice. up. And I haven't been getting a lot of protein in today. I'm going to get an amino supply drink just so I can get some amino acids in today. So we did our little dance thing and it's cool. We'll film the whole thing later. But for now, I'm starving. I haven't had any solid food for today. And so I'm at another vending machine and I'm like, I might need some solid food. But for now, I'm just gonna get some tomato and green juice. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna get this right here. We're gonna go with 10s for this one. I don't know what it is. Oh. Yeah, that's tomato juice. Straight up tomato juice. Yep, still gross. Does anybody actually like tomato juice out there? Let me know in the comments. Or I'm gonna have to like get some ice cream or something. I'm gonna get ice cream from the vending machine. I don't think I'm gonna eat much of it, but I'm going to do it for the vlog. Yeah, that one. This is how ice cream. This is peanut butter chocolate. Interesting. This is kind of like a thank you for taking my burden. This has been a struggle. If you're vegan, you definitely probably can't live off of the food and vending machines. So we hit the vending machine jackpot. We actually found food. All of this, like what? Chocolate, brownie, just more, whatever. So I don't know what to get. Let's see here. So many choices. This is so unhealthy. Start with the pancake. It's 2 pancakes, it's cold.
Yeah, it's usually 2 pancakes with like jam or something inside. Ankle.
There's red bean paste inside. It's very popular dessert. So we got some vegetables. So I'm back home. I still have this pancake with red bean stuff in it to eat, and I'm gonna open these chips right now. Really, do I recommend eating from a vending machine? No. For snacks and drinks, they're okay. Eating a full day off vending machine food. That's all the food and drinks and soup and stuff I could get from vending machines today. I know there are a lot cooler vending machines around Japan, #1, and probably around Tokyo as well. But it's hard to find because it's not something you can just Google. You have to kind of just like look for them as you walk. So I hope you enjoyed that. Maybe I'll make another one that's like vending machines that aren't food and just kind of explore those. There's a lot of different weird, crazy things, but we didn't get to that today. We just went to like one area. I'm gonna eat this, and when it hits 12, I'm gonna have a protein shake and maybe some other sort of like some eggs or something, because I feel like today was extremely unhealthy and I never eat like that, and I don't want to recommend that to you guys, but I think it was a fun challenge to do. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe this video if you liked it. Leave some comments for other challenges or other things you want to see in Tokyo while I'm here. Stay extraterrestrial, and I'll see you in the next video.